Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Before we go ahead in our standard 9 social science subject, chapter number 10, I would like to thankful to the students whose names are Jatin Wadhwa, Sonia Ahuja, Hriday Parikh and Chinmay Goda who reply the answers of the previous lecture's question in the comment section. Thank you so much, children, for motivating me. And I would like to now go ahead in our next part of chapter number 10 of Standard 9 Social Science. The topic which we discuss today is the Speaker of Lok Sabha. We were discussing last lecture that Lok Sabha means lower house, and in lower house of parliament the representative, directly elected representative, participate and discuss the issues and the problem of the nations. Now, whenever multiple people are together, we require someone as a leader, because in lower house of parliament everybody wants to express their opinion. But if you allow everybody to speak together, then it becomes vegetable market kind of situation. So we required somebody who allow someone else to speak. That's why the word speaker comes in existence. So let's read line by line. Okay. Now, the main function of the speaker is to see that the proceeding of Lok Sabha gets organized in a prescribed form. The first work of the speaker is whatever the proceeding of Lok Sabha, it must be organized in its own prescribed format. A speaker also need to maintain discipline, order and dignity of the houses are the topmost function of the speaker. So these are the question can be possible in objective also, and for 2 marks or 1 marks, like which are the main function or topmost function of the speaker. So the first one is proceeding has to be organized as per prescribed form. Second, maintain discipline. Third, order and dignity of the houses are required to be maintained. These are the topmost function of the speaker. Now the members of Lok Sabha elect their speaker. See, the election of speaker and deputy speaker is not conduct in a direct election process. Means we the people, citizen of India, we are not go for voting in the election of speaker. Whoever the member of Lok Sabha, among them only they organize election, and that member of Lok Sabha go for voting to elect their speaker and deputy speaker from among themselves. See, the member of Lok Sabha elect their speaker and deputy speaker from among themselves. The speaker presides over the session of the Lok Sabha and maintain and control its functioning. When we talk about speaker, okay, speaker provide over the session, okay, attend the session of Lok Sabha and maintain the control of its functioning, not to allow anybody to speak in between, take the disciplinary action. All these are very important responsibility of speaker and deputy speaker. The speaker expects discipline from the member in Lok Sabha, because if, as I told you, in Lok Sabha all are start speaking, and sometimes if you search on YouTube you will able to know what kind of situation going on. Okay, if it possible, right now I will try to show you live session. Okay, I mean to say video of Lok Sabha, if it possible, that the way how people try the level best to speak, the way how they oppose, you yourself realize what is going on like that. So speaker expect that it must be disciplinary manner, like to whom speaker allow, only that person needs to speak. Now the speaker is the protector of the dignity of the house. Speaker has to see that the dignity of house means what? Lower house and upper house, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Speaker needs to protect the dignity, and a speaker's decision in the house are final and conclusive. Whatever speaker took the decision in any of the house, that is final and that is conclusive. You cannot oppose speaker. You cannot say, speaker, please sit down. No, you don't have a right to speak that. Now speaker can belong to any of the political party, or can even have a strong support of any political party. See, there are two things. Number one, speaker can belong to any political party, any XYZ political party, or it may possible that speaker get the position and then get the strong support of any political party. Both are possible. I repeat the sentence. Speaker can belong to any of the political party, or can even have a strong support of any political party. Both the things are possible. But now, turning point. Please underline this sentence. Underline this sentence. After being appointed as a Speaker of Lok Sabha, it is expected that the Speaker carries out the proceeding of the Parliament in a firm and impartial manner. The same thing we expect class teacher in the school from a class captain. A elected class captain may have a huge, very big friend circle. But when a person become a class captain, class teacher expect that the class discipline has to be maintained, and class captainship must be done without any partiality. Exactly same way. After a person appointed, okay, after a person is appointed, okay, as a speaker of Lok Sabha, it is expected that that speaker carry out the proceeding, the work of parliament in a very firm manner, very strong manner. At that time, speaker needs to forget about his own political party. At this point of time, speaker has to forget the friendship. At this point of time, speaker required to keep self emotions aside and do the proceeding of parliament without partiality. Impartial manner means without partiality. By gaining a majority of the member of the Lok Sabha on a resolution to remove the speaker, with this a speaker can be removed from his post by giving a 14 days notice period. See, first of all, by gaining majority of the member. If majority of member of houses, okay, for example, Lok Sabha, majority of the member of the Lok Sabha, sorry, majority member of the Lok Sabha go for resolution to remove the speaker. Okay, go for united voice, unity, that we want to remove speaker. With this, a speaker can be removed from his post by giving a 14 days notice period. If you want to remove speaker, fine. Okay, it is possible. The speaker of Lok Sabha can be removed. Majority member need to pass resolution, need to pass one procedure, and in that procedure they can remove the speaker, but they have to give the notice before 14 days. That before 14 days they have to give the notice that we don't want you as a speaker of our Lok Sabha. Now all the speeches and criticism in the Lok Sabha is done by addressing the speaker only. Okay, like if I am a member of Lok Sabha and I want to criticize somebody, I want to oppose someone, then I have to address the speaker. Okay, and then I can express. For example, if I want to oppose the law of helmet. Okay, a discussion going on, not law, but we can say bill. Okay, for example, bill, a proposal, a thinking is going on, discussed in the Lok Sabha, and I want to oppose road and transport minister. Then I have to start, respected Mr. Speaker, sir, or respected Speaker, ma'am. I would like to criticize that the bill of road security, as a part of that, helmet is not appropriate in our country. Speaker, sir, or we can say Speaker, ma'am, I would like to request you that road ministry required to rethink about this bill. This is the way how you have to express. You cannot talk directly. You have to address the speaker only. That speaker, ma'am, or speaker, sir, I want to tell you, you cannot go and talk with anybody directly. It's not a friend circle like that. Okay. Now the working in both the houses of parliament can be carried out in either Hindi or English. Both the houses of the parliament. Both the houses means what? Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha. Both the houses of the parliament can be carried out in either Hindi or English. But a speaker can permit any member of Lok Sabha to speak in his own language in case he or she does not know Hindi or English. For example, if I go and talk to speaker that respected Mr. Speaker, sir, I am not comfortable to express my thoughts in Hindi or English language. Could you please allow me to express my opinion about a specific bill in my native language? And if speaker say yes, then yes, you can able to express it. If any member of Lok Sabha remains absent, please underline, if any member of Lok Sabha remain absent for continuous period of 60 days without informing the speaker, then his seat declared as vacant. Now that seat is considered as vacant seat, empty seat. Nobody available at that place, automatically removed. So if anybody wants to remain absent for continuous 60 days, it is their important responsibility that they need to talk to speaker and they require to inform the speaker, and suppose they not inform and continuously remain absent for 60 days without informing the speaker, then that seat declared as vacant. Now that seat is empty. Okay, nobody available at that particular seat of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, like that. Okay. Now, I would like to go ahead. Casting vote. Now, casting vote can be asked for 2 marks. Okay. So, be careful. Those paper setter who want to set tricky paper, okay, they may go for this casting vote question. Okay. So, please be careful about that. Now, we go for casting vote. Now, during any of the proceeding of the houses, there arises any question, matter or problem or discussion of any bill or act, and decision upon it is to be taken especially when the number of votes in a favor or against the matter are equal in number. Then in such situation, the speaker can give his decision vote, which is known as casting vote. Now listen carefully. For example, Lok Sabha proceeding is going on and there is a question arise, some matter or some problem or some discussion is going on in a bill, in a favor of bill or act, and we require to take the decision upon majority. Okay, now whatever majority decision will be go in that favor. Okay, now some votes are in a favor and some votes are in against. Okay, like for example, there are 100 member present in the Lok Sabha hearing. When the Lok Sabha proceeding is going on, 100 member is present, and there is a discussion going on about the helmet law. As I give example of helmet only. There is a discussion is going on about helmet. that whether a helmet required to be compulsory or not. Now, we have to take decision by the help of majority. Okay. So in that situation, when the discussion is going on, they start the voting. That whatever majority votes comes, we will go in that favor. Okay. There are 100 member of Lok Sabha is present right now. They start voting. Now imagine students, 50 vote go in a favor and 50 vote go in against. Means 50 member believe that helmet required to be compulsory and 50 say that no, helmet has to be optional. Okay. Now this is called what? This is called the matter of equal in number. It is called equal in number. In such condition, now what to do, because majority is not there. So in that situation only, when it is equal number of votes, I repeat, when it is equal number of votes, in such condition, the speaker can give his deciding vote. Then only speaker can give the vote, and that's why speaker's vote is known as casting vote. But suppose, go for another example, helmet law discussion going on in the Lok Sabha, 100 members are there. Okay, 75% say in a favor, helmet has to be compulsory. 25% say no, it is optional. No need to go for casting vote. Speaker cannot give the vote because it is equality is not there. It's a clean majority. If both the side, favor and against, if it is equal number of votes, then only casting vote comes. Then only speaker can give the vote. Apart from such situation, other than equal number of votes, the speaker cannot vote. Be careful. Be remembered. Can be asking true or false in Ekam Kasoti and other exam. If it is majority, speaker cannot give vote. If it is equal vote in favor and against, then yes, speaker can vote. But other than this situation, speaker cannot vote. Underline can be asked in fill in the blanks. Shri Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar was the first speaker of Lok Sabha. Shri Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar. Okay, here we have Mr. Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar. I want to show you the photographs. Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar. This person is the first speaker of Lok Sabha. Now, what happens if speaker's health is not okay? What happens? For example, okay, speaker is also human being, ne? Maybe possible health not okay. Then what to do? Can speaker remain absent? Read the paragraph. Yes, in the absence of the speaker, the proceeding of Lok Sabha are conduct or proceeding the House conduct out by the deputy speaker. And in the absence of the speaker, and in also absent of deputy speaker, imagine, speaker also absent, deputy speaker also absent, then what to do? Shall we close Lok Sabha and say bye bye, member go home? No, be careful. In the absence of the speaker and in the absence of deputy speaker, the proceeding of Lok Sabha are conducted by speakers panel. Okay, there is a panel called speakers panel. And who are the member of this panel? Panel means group. Panel means group. So who are the member of the panel? The member of the panel consist senior, experienced, and who are familiar with the proceeding of the parliament. Experts from different political parties are the member of speakers panel, and this panel will continue the proceeding of Lok Sabha. So students, I hope you understand. If speaker remain absent, deputy speaker will conduct the proceeding of Lok Sabha. If speaker and deputy speaker both are absent, then the speaker's panel proceeding of Lok Sabha. And who are the member of the panel? Senior member, experienced members who are familiar how to conduct the proceeding of parliament. Expert people from different political parties will continue the proceeding of this Lok Sabha. Okay, so this is what the uh, information mentioned about the speaker of Lok Sabha, the speaker of Lok Sabha. Now, before I go ahead, I would like to ask some question. I will repeat the question. I insist you have to give the answer of my question, and you can search from Google, no problem, students. And whoever give the answer, I will speak their name in my next lecture, and I will express my thank you to that children. Okay. So the question is, right now you have to tell me the name of speakers, deputy speaker. You have to tell me the name of speaker and deputy speaker of our parliament. Okay, you have to give me the name of speaker and deputy speaker. First question. Second question. Who was the first deputy speaker of Lok Sabha? See, here it is mentioned that first speaker of Lok Sabha is Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar is the first speaker of Lok Sabha. I am asking deputy speaker. Who was the first deputy speaker of Lok Sabha? These questions answer you need to discuss, okay, in the comment section. In the comment section. Okay. Another important announcement, students. Now, next topic is, when can a bill become an act? This is the topic. Bill means certain things or discussion in the parliament. Okay, that is bill. And act means now implement as law. Okay, so when can a bill become act? Students, before I go ahead about this topic, I just want to show you certain things, and I insist that you require to keep this in your mind. Okay, this is a Gujarati medium textbook right now in front of you. This is Gujarati medium textbook available. Okay, and this is the same paragraph. But students, I just want your pay attention that in English medium textbook we have this paragraph. If you compare the same paragraph in Gujarati medium textbook, then students, so many things are not translate in English medium textbook. Okay, so here there are 3 to 4 sentence available which is there in Gujarati medium textbook, but it is not translated in English medium textbook. Now, right now, though, you are in 9th standard, but students, I want your pay attention. In 10th standard, this kind of issue is very, very, very danger. Why? Because paper is always set from Gujarati medium textbook, and then it is translated into English. So in that situation, you have to, habitual to manage such situation. What we will do when we discuss this topic at that time, I will translate, or I will prepare a pictorial understanding of those sentences which are in Gujarati medium textbook but not available in English medium textbook. Especially in 10th standard, you need to be very careful, because you cannot argue with board that it is not given in our English medium textbook. No, that's not the base of argument. Okay, children. So these are the things you have to keep in mind. So I would like to conclude my lecture over here, and in next lecture we will talk about when can a bill become act. The topic is a bit lengthy, but we have to complete in one lecture only. At the same time, in one lecture only we have to complete. It may be of 1 hour lecture. I'm sorry, but we can't go for a break for this particular lecture. This particular topic. Okay. So in next part we will talk about when can a bill become an act. Just write down where my mouse cursor is moving right now. Write down over here 4 marks or 3 marks. Means this particular question can be asked for 4 marks or 3 marks. Okay, important question, and can be asked. Okay, so with this we would like to conclude today's lecture, and try your level best to give the answer of my question, and please take care of yourself, students. God bless you all. Thank you.